Hey there, Parafolks. Here's how to find missing paras in Paralives. If you've ever lost track of your favorite para after selling your home, accidentally switching households instead of buying a new house, and losing them on the map, don't worry. You can easily locate them using one of the game's built-in cheat tools. To do this, open the cheat console by pressing Ctrl F1 or Ctrl Shift C on your keyboard. At the top of the cheat console, click the arrow beside the cheat commands label. In the menu that appears, select Parafolk Profiler. This will bring up a list of every para currently in your save file. If you remember your para's name, simply type it into the search bar. Otherwise, you can scroll through the list until you find them. Once you've selected your para, click the Find button in the lower right corner of the window. The camera will immediately pan over to their current location. If you want to make that household your active one again, click the three-dot button next to the Find button and select Switch to that household. You'll instantly regain control of that household and can continue playing your favorite para. To make things easier in the future, it's a good idea to move your paras into a house before switching to another household. That way, it'll be much easier to remember where they live the next time you want to play them. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.